Brand new for the SplashArt Kit Mk3 is the new clamp stand. This stand is an extremely cost-effective way of very accurately supporting the tank. The advantage of this stand is that it can be clamped to any table up to 4 centimeters or 1.5 inches in thickness. In use, it's very convenient because you can fit a tray or any other item underneath glasses to take the pictures without any hindrance of a base. The control box for the SplashArt Mk3 kit is fully made in the United Kingdom. It's 3D printed, exceptionally high quality. There are 4 simple to use dials on the box. The top blue dial controls the size of the first drop. The bottom blue dial controls the size of the second drop. The yellow dial controls the gap between the drops. The red dial controls the delay on the camera. The start button initiates the whole sequence. Next to the start button is an LED which will flash in time with the sequence. The kit is supplied with the cables that you need, the camera cable, the power supply and the solenoid cable. The tank supplied with the SplashArt Mk3 kit has also received a couple of notable improvements. First of all, we now use a stainless steel tube for the siphon. This allows easier cleaning. The solenoid is attached to the main body of the tank using hydraulic washers. The nozzle is also attached to the solenoid using hydraulic washers. These are both leak proof and easy to disassemble for deep cleaning or changing the nozzle.